Welcome back to Muscle Car. Today we're diving into a unique project, taking a classic muscle car and converting it into the ultimate powerhouse, a Kenworth W990 motorhome truck. This isn't your everyday build. This is all about creating a custom blend of luxury, functionality, and raw power. Let's get started with the foundation. The Kenworth W990 is one of the most iconic long-nosed trucks in the world. Known for its strong aerodynamic design and powerful performance, it's the perfect base for a custom motorhome conversion. We begin by stripping it down to essentials, ensuring that all components are in pristine condition. From the engine to the frame, everything is inspected to guarantee that this build can handle anything we throw at it. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The W990 typically comes with a Packard X13 engine delivering up to 565 horsepower and 1850 lb-ft of torque. That's serious power for any motorhome. To make it even more unique, we're enhancing it with custom tuning, an upgraded turbocharger, and a high-performance exhaust system. Not only will this beast haul any load, but it'll sound as aggressive as it we move on to the chassis modifications. The Kenworth W990 is built tough, but for a motorhome, we need to make some changes. We're extending the frame slightly to accommodate the motorhome structure. Custom air suspension is added to ensure a smooth ride, even on the roughest roads. The real transformation happens in the motorhome section. Imagine stepping inside and being greeted by a fully customized interior. Hardwood floors, leather seating, and top-of-the-line appliances make this truck as comfortable as a luxury home. We're fitting it with solar panels for off-grid capabilities, a state-of-the-art sound system, and even a slide-out section for extra space. On the exterior, the truck will have a custom paint job, blending classic muscle car vibes with modern aesthetics. Chrome accents, LED lighting, and custom wheels complete the look. We're also adding storage compartments, an outdoor kitchen setup, and a roof deck for enjoying the views wherever you park. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Once all the components are installed, we take the W990 out for a test drive. The combination of raw power, unmatched style, and luxurious comfort makes this conversion a head-turner on any road. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement. Stay tuned to Muscle Car for more builds like this, and don't forget to subscribe for updates on our next project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.